All right, we are back with another vegan weekly meal idea video for you guys where we are bringing you guys healthy vegan meal ideas that you can implement in your life. We both work full time. We are not professional chefs, and we are showing you how you can eat the healthiest meals on planet Earth from home, cooking from home, no processed foods, no fake meats, no tofus, no salads, none of that bullshit. Straight up healthy vegan meals. Not 2 calories either. High calories, high protein. Getting after it as athletes and full-time workers, baby. Yeah! Alright, so our first meal is going to be an Instapot mac and cheese. Oh yeah! Got our mac and cheese. Look at that beauty! Lovely little bit of peas in there. So rich, so cheesy. Oh man, it smells too good. We use Instapot because we are so busy. It saves us time, and it can save you time. So let's go ahead and explain to people how we get this done.
Okay, so this mac and cheese, the cheese sauce will be made from cashews, butternut squash, potatoes, onion, garlic, coconut milk, some nutritional yeast, spices, and then we have our pasta. We'll be throwing some breadcrumbs in the oven, kind of put some crispy breadcrumbs on top of our mac and cheese. And then we don't often do vegan butter, but for stuff like this, it's kind of nice, just a little comfort food. We'll throw in a little bit of
Yes, so this is a processed food, but it's not really a food. But our cheese, good fats, good carbs, nutrient-dense cheese. Doing it the healthy way, baby. You can have comfort foods be healthy. It's just about how you make them. And luckily for you, in the description, we always leave the recipes. So why don't you go ahead and open up that description box, subscribe while you're at it, and click through the recipes so that you can do this yourself. All right, so we will see you shortly for meal number 2. Meal number 2, we have sweet and spicy roasted chickpeas with garlic and white bean spread. All right, here's our sweet and spicy chickpeas with the garlic spread. White bean spread, actually.
Yes.
But as you see, there's much more than just chickpeas. We got Brussels sprouts and carrots and all that kind of fun. A little bit of rice. So don't be deceived. It's simple, but it's exciting. So let's go ahead and hear how we accomplish our sweet and spicy chickpeas.
Okay. So this is a recipe I saw on Instagram. It looked kind of fun, so I figured let's try it out and make it. So for the white bean spread portion of it, we've got cannellini beans for that. We'll be throwing some lemon juice in there. We're gonna roast half a head of garlic with some rosemary, and then blend that all up until it's a smooth, almost like a hummus-ish consistency.
Yep.
We're gonna roast our chickpeas with a bunch of spices in the oven, as well as roasting some Brussels sprouts and some carrots.
Awesome, so it's a relatively simple one, and we will see you momentarily for meal number 3. Fancy seeing you here for meal number 3, where we are going to be making jambalaya with homemade lentil walnut sausage. Jambalaya with the lentil walnut sausage. I think the sausage is sausage crumble.
Yep.
Sausage crumble, right? Yeah, okay. Right there, found some. Oh yeah, look.
Right.
Oh, lovely. It smells so delicious. Lands on one of our Instapot days. So I am curious how we're going to make sausage with the Instapot. Chrissy's going to give us the answer.
Well,
I'm assuming that it's not going to be in the Instapot.
the sausage itself, I'll make ahead of time, so not in the Instant Pot, but the rest of it will be in the Instant Pot. So I'll probably prep sausage a couple days ahead of time, just have it in the fridge, so that way on, Tuesday when I make this recipe, I can just come home and then cut up the sausage and it's ready to go.
Throw it in there. Probably
Yep.
after the meal has been cooked in the Instant Pot, throw it
I'm
in.
assuming, yes. Otherwise,
It'll just fall
disintegrate.
apart. Correct.
Yes.
All right, so how do we make the jambalaya? I don't even know what jambalaya is.
It is like this Cajun like rice dish.
Okay.
With sausage.
You guys have already seen the presentation, so hopefully I have said that it smells so delicious and looks so delicious.
Yep.
All right, so how are we going to accomplish it? Let's hear it.
So the sausage portion of it is going to be using some canned lentils, mushroom, onion, soy sauce, walnuts we've got in the cabinet, and we're basically just going to cook up the onion and the mushrooms, and then throw everything into the food processor, blend it up, form your sausages.
Awesome. Homemade sausage.
Yep.
We said no fake meat. We mean no
ourselves.
packaged fake meat.
Yes.
We make it ourselves in-house the healthy way.
Yep.
Awesome. So I'm going to see it. Awesome. So I am excited to see how this one turns out. I know we've had the sausage before in the past and it came out delicious. So I'm assuming we're going to have the same thing happen. We will let you know. Until then, we will see you for meal number 4. Meal number 4 for us this week is spicy cauliflower tacos. And boy, does it smell so good over here because I love the smell of cilantro. Here's the lovely cauliflower tacos. Oh, yeah. And I'm seeing something kind of interesting over here, so I'm curious how that's going to work out for us. But Chrissy's going to explain to us.
Let me explain. Okay, so these tacos, there's going to be a couple of different pieces all playing together. So one of them, obviously, going to be some cauliflower.
Would make sense.
Doing some refried black beans. We'll have a sauce, and then we're going to have like a slaw made out of, this is jicama. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly.
Yeah,
it's
we
like
would typically buy it whole, but apparently they didn't have it, so we just had to... I see.
So we'll be chopping this up with some carrots, a little bit of mint, some cilantro, jalapeno, lime, and that'll be a little slaw to go on top of these tacos. Be doing some refried black beans, like I said, and then the sauce is going to be made from hemp seeds, cilantro, jalapeno, and some lime juice.
Lovely. We'll see you momentarily for meal number 5. Meal number 5 is Malai Kofta. That's at least how Google said it, so that's how I'm going to say it. And it's in masala sauce. So I don't know what any of that means. You probably don't either, but you have at least seen the presentation at this point. Malai Kofta with
A masala sauce.
a little bit of rice on the bottom, or what?
They're chickpea.
Beautiful. He's going to explain to us
I
how
will.
we accomplish it.
So, yeah, so Malai Kofta are like these little meatball type things. I think traditionally they're made out of something like nasty, like potatoes and like cheese or something gross, but obviously we're not going to do that. So we're going to make it out of potatoes and chickpeas.
Lovely.
And the sauce is going to be made from diced tomatoes, some onion, lime juice, jalapeno, garlic, and then a ton of Indian spices, since this is an Indian dish.
When in doubt, chickpeas out, baby. Chickpeas, one of our favorite versatile options. They are alkaline approved. They're super healthy, high protein. When in doubt, throw some chickpeas in that meal for some free, healthy protein. All right, awesome. We will see you momentarily for our 6th and final meal of the week. Typically, we do about 6 meals a week because we know on our 7th meal, we may have leftovers that we end up using, or we may have leftover produce that we use for something like a curry or something simple. Or if we decide to treat ourselves and go out that week, you know, every couple weeks we do go out just like normal people and have restaurant meals. Can you believe it? All right, we will see you momentarily. Alrighty, our final meal, as Gino has joined us, is cauliflower chickpea shawarma bowls. Alright, cauliflower chickpea shawarma bowl, baby. Lovely. Lovely. I know how to say shawarma because we have done a shawarma on this channel in the past. So how do we accomplish these shawarma bowls?
Yes. So this is one of my favorites. So we're going to roast our chickpeas and our cauliflower in the oven with a shawarma spice blend. And then we'll be sauteing our red onion and our bell peppers. And then making a vegan tzatziki sauce with the cucumber, dill, lemon, and then cashews are gonna be the base, which we already showed you guys earlier. And then we'll serve it over top of some rice.
Lovely. This is why we like to film these videos, because we can break down the produce right in front of us and make it look as simple as possible, because it truly is simple. It's just about you putting in the work. Maybe a half hour, maybe an hour, maybe 15 minutes. Pick and choose the recipes that you see fit for your day. We're trying to inspire the world. Woo! That being a vegan is being a high-level athlete, jacked, changing the face of what veganism is. People like to rag on it. People like to say this is bad, or this is bad, or it's processed, or it's tofu, or you're a soy boy. We are putting them to shame because they don't know what to say when they see us. When people hear that we're vegan in public or at the gym, woo, you should see their face, baby. They get inspired is what they get. And that's what we're trying to do here on the YouTube channel, baby. So go ahead and support us. Click that like button. Click the subscribe. Leave a comment. Do everything you can. Share this to your grandma's Facebook. I don't care what you have to do. Get that word out. Tell Juno that she's cute, because she'll be very, very sad if you don't tell her that. We are going to end you with a flex so that you can have the image of the beautiful thumbnail that you clicked on. So here we go. Boom!
Staring at you.
Okay. All right. We will see you next time.